Hi there, this is Andy from FeedOtter, and today I'm going to walk through creating a multiple RSS feed email from start to finish. Multiple RSS feeds in an email are a great way to include multiple categories of content or multiple types of content in an email that can be automated using FeedOtter with your Marketo or Pardot account. Today we're going to use Marketo's blog as an example of how to create a multiple RSS feed email using multiple categories. So Marketo's done a great job of creating different categories of marketing content. For each one of these categories, there's typically an underlying RSS feed. And we're going to go ahead and grab the RSS feeds for each of these categories. The RSS feeds allow us to access the data and the content underneath so we can use it in the email. So I've looked through Marketo's blog and I've found 3 different RSS feeds, each corresponding to a different category of content. One for digital marketing, one for content marketing, and one for marketing technology. I'm going to create a new automated email in FeedOtter that has sections for each one of these feeds to display their content. So back in FeedOtter, we create a new automated RSS email and we'll give it a name, calling it the Marketo blog multi-feed newsletter. And we'll keep it with Pardot or Marketo today. This process is the same no matter what email sending program you're using. So Pardot, Marketo, Eloqua, MailChimp, or any of the ones that we add in the future, this process of building will be identical. I'm going to set the number of posts to 2 for now and set a once a month interval. I'll come back and worry about this later. The important step is the Feeds tab. So if you have the multiple feeds feature available in your FeedOtter account, you'll see the option to add additional feeds above and beyond 1. So here I'm going to take those 3 feeds and paste those 3 feeds into this area in FeedOtter. I've pasted 3 feeds in and I'm going to hit validate. And what that's going to do is that is going to render the feeds in one of FeedOtter's built-in standard emails. What you want to do if you're working with a multi-feed is go into the FeedOtter templates area and select one of the multi-feed templates. So because this feature is new, we only have one. So we'll click on that. And now we'll see our multiple feeds feeding into the email. So you can see here's the first category, the second category, and the third category of posts. So we've got a nice email that is set up to send based on different categories of feeds. And you could use, we have customers that have used this to create sections of different types of content. So maybe you have blog posts, and then a little later you have white papers, and then down below that maybe you have job openings or ebooks or tutorial videos or other types of content. The important thing to know is that you can feed in any type of content and mix and match it using these multiple feeds. I'm going to go ahead and use FeedOtter to personalize this email a little bit more. I'm going to upload Marketo's logo. I'm going to insert some different colors and make this a little bit more on brand. All right, with my email now customized to the brand, I've also updated the from and reply to information as well as the subject line with a custom date. The last step is to tweak the headers. And to do this, I'm going to have to go into the code of this FeedOtter email template. So I click on the code tab and I'm going to search for the latest update. And you can see here is the feed 1 title. And we're going to change this to digital marketing news and advance to the next feed. There's the title for feed 2. And this one is content marketing insights, and then hop to the next update. And let's change this one is marketing technology. Now that we've customized all of those, we click Save Code. our template updates, we can go back to the preview, and now you can see the last bit of our customization has been completed. We have categories for each one of these areas. Now, as you can imagine, you can do a lot with custom templates in this area. We've created a number of helpful guides that walk you through the code mechanics of building and coding multiple feeds into an email, because you can do a lot with the data behind the scenes. This template, our template, if you chose it from our template gallery, as I did with this template, includes some additional coding that allows these sections to hide or show based on whether or not there is new content in a particular section. So if FeedOtter goes to do its monthly send and there is not any new digital marketing news that month, the digital marketing news section will just disappear and the content marketing insights will appear at the top. And the same is true. So there will always need to be at least one new article in your email, but you can code if statements and else statements into the template text to hide and show content depending on your requirements. Thanks for watching this advanced FeedOtter tutorial. If you'd like more information on the capabilities of FeedOtter's multiple RSS feed emailing, please feel free to email success@feedotter.com or visit our website and schedule a demo call. We're happy to talk through it and help you get this set up today.